What I wish I knew at 10 instead of 20. How to catch fish without feeling like a fish out of water. All right, first things first, grab yourself a sturdy rod and reel combo. Don't go fancy, just reliable. Now bait. Worms work wonders. Fish can't resist them. Next, find yourself a nice quiet spot by the lake. Early morning or late evening's best. Fish like to chill when it's cooler, just like us. Cast your line out and let it sit. Patience is key, my friend. Feel a tug? Give it a gentle pull to set the hook. Don't yank it like you're starting a lawnmower. And hey, don't forget your fishing license. It's the law, y'all. Got a fish? Congrats. Hold it gently and remove the hook carefully. And remember, catch and release keeps our lake stocked and happy. So there you go, folks. Simple tips to get you started. Now get out there and make some memories. Happy fishing.